Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, I have started the discussion of narration change of interrogative sentence, and in that video, I have discussed the rules of changing speech from direct to indirect of yes no question. In today's video, I shall discuss the rules of changing the speech of WH question. So first we have to understand the difference of structure that we can find between a WH question and a yes no question. So first look at this sentence, how are you? It's a WH question because the sentence begins with a WH word. WH word means who, which, when, how, why, these words. If you look at a WH question and if you look at a yes no question, you will find that the main difference between these two questions is that this WH word at the beginning of the sentence. For example, I am writing here yes no question. Are you crying? So in the last lesson I have discussed the difference between an assertive sentence and a yes no question. In the assertive sentence we know that the subject comes first, then there is the verb, and then there is the predicate. If in the sentence there is any be verb, auxiliary verb, they come after the subject and then the main verb. But in a question, the be verb or the modal auxiliary, any kind of auxiliary, comes first. Then there is the subject, after that the main verb, and at the last there is the predicate. And in a WH question, their WH word comes even before the auxiliary verb. Okay, so in a yes no question, first comes the auxiliary, then the subject. But in a WH question, first comes the WH word, then the auxiliary, then the subject. So keep it in mind. If you have not watched the first part of this video, that means the lesson on the yes no question, first make sure to watch that video. Okay, the link will be found in the description. So first watch that video, it will help you a lot. So now let us discuss the rules of changing speech of a WH question. The first thing that we have done in case of yes no question is the change of reporting verb. We know that in case of interrogative sentence, the reporting verb said, or if there is said to, changed into asked. So this part will be he asked me. Then in the case of yes no question, a linker if or whether comes. But remember, in case of WH question, no linker from outside is needed. Here the WH word will act as a linker. So we have to write the WH word. He asked me how. After that we have to follow the steps that we have learned in the narration change of yes no question. So what we have to do here? First we have to find out the subject. Who is the subject? Say who is the subject here? You. We know that you is the second person, and in the quotation mark second person means narrative or the listener. So here narrative is me, me means first person. So we have to change the subject into first person. So it will become I. Okay, as you is the subject, so we are writing here I, not the me, because me is object form of the pronoun and I is the subject form. Then we have to think about the verb. Here are is the main verb and it is present indefinite tense. The reporting verb in the past tense, so it will be changed into past indefinite. That means I was. Full stop. There are no other thing. Okay. I am explaining with another example. So I said to her will be changed into I asked her. Okay, no problem here. After that, the linker will be why. The WH word will come as the linker. Then we have to find out the subject in this part. Are you laughing? So who is the subject here? You. You is the second person. That means you is the narrative. Who is the narrative? Her. Third person, feminine gender. So the subject will be changed into she. Then we have to change the tense of the verb. Which tense is there? Why are you laughing? ing with the verb, are is the be verb, that means it is present continuous. So we have to change it into past continuous as the reporting verb said is in the past tense. So see for past continuous, be verb will be was and then the main verb laughing. Okay, clear? Let us take another example. So he said to you, where do you live? So it is now very clear that he said to you will be changed into he asked you. Said to will be changed into asked. I want to tell you another thing here, that in some question you may find that asked already is in the place of reporting verb. That means the question is he asked you. In that case, asked will be changed into inquired. It is only needed if the reporting verb is already asked. In that case, you have to change it into inquired. Okay. In other cases, just change the said or said to into asked. Okay. After that, the linker will be where. Then we have to find out who is the verb here. Who is the verb? You. You means second person. That means the narrative. Narrative is also you. So there is no need to change the subject. After that, we have to change the verb. So I have told you in the last lesson that whenever you find do as the auxiliary in a question, remember that the sentence is in the present indefinite tense. Okay, so the tense is here present indefinite and the reporting verb is in the past tense. So we have to change the sentence into past indefinite. That means subject, after that past form of the verb. The verb is live, so it will be lived. Follow? So try to watch the video for a number of times so that you can remember all the rules. And if you have any query, any question, any problem, just write down in the comment section and I will surely try to answer these questions. So I am concluding here. Thank you for watching.